Hi there! Is your car battery dying every night? Let's figure out why this happens and how to fix it. First, to avoid draining your battery unnecessarily, turn off any electrical consumers running overnight. Leaving the lights, radio, or air conditioning on for long periods can quickly drain your battery. Also, make sure your alternator is working properly. This is what charges the battery while your car is running. Another important step is to regularly check and clean your battery terminals. Rusty or loose connections can prevent proper charging. Cold weather can also reduce battery performance, so be extra careful during winter. And remember, letting your battery completely die shortens its lifespan. Using an old or worn-out battery can also cause frequent drain problems. That's why you should regularly check your battery's age and performance. Finally, if you're constantly having battery issues, it's a good idea to have a professional technician inspect your vehicle's electrical system. They can identify and fix any underlying problems. Remember, your battery dying every night isn't normal, and it's fixable. With proper care and regular maintenance, you can keep your car running smoothly.